average cost of a kitchen remodel can look, really different, I guess, dependent on, of course, what those project needs are with your kitchen. In that first initial brief phone call, we're going to really discuss what your project needs and wants are, what kind of thoughts you've already put into it. And this will also help us be able to kind of get an idea of even what a baseline for that would look like. And we'll help you understand and differentiate between what may be like a partial update versus an actual kitchen remodel. Two different things. But that's our job, to help you understand what the difference between the two look like. So in that phone call, we're going to cover quite a bit of information, and then that'll carry into the consult. So once we've determined so far, great fit, then we're excited to move into that consult stage, which Anthony will go out to give us even a better idea to discover more and be able to properly put these numbers together for a quote.
Yeah, and kitchens are really important for us to kind of get an understanding of where our clients' like headspace is at, whether it's a full tear out or whether it makes sense for us to kind of build off the cabinets and stuff that they need. Sometimes, in those, we'll go through, determine layout, we'll determine kind of functionality and stuff. And sometimes too, like the scope of work in a kitchen, there's 4 different rooms that touch it, whether it's the laundry room, whether it's a living room, hearth room, kind of all of those areas. So we'll go out there, kind of create a clear scope of work and be able to give a cost on that and kind of guide our clients in the right direction. With kitchens and stuff, it doesn't always make sense to tear everything out. Sometimes we can build within, and sometimes in other cases, it does make sense to kind of rework the cabinets and stuff. One of the things with cabinets, everyone has golden oak cabinets, and it's sometimes painting golden oak cabinets don't always look the best. You go through, kind of reface them, and you get so close to that kind of tear out and new cabinets, you might as well kind of go that way. And that's where kind of a kitchen gets to be a little bit higher on the cost standpoint. It's really important to provide to us all the wants and needs. In a kitchen, it can go 15 different directions, and that's where the information that's provided to us, it helps us kind of getting a starting point of what your wants and needs are, and we can kind of build from that, whether it makes sense to tear everything out, whether it makes more sense to build off what you currently have. It's one of those things, whenever we go through and design a new kitchen, and we take into account, do the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling? Do we do more drawers and doors on your base cabinets? All of those things we take into account, and that's where kind of the flooring, kind of some of those areas, will help kind of create that scope of work and make sure that the budget is managed. A lot of time on a kitchen or whole home, clients go to us to help manage cost and help kind of go through and create that scope of work.
And truly maximize functionality of these spaces you're spending so much time in. So we'll help you think through all these scenarios that, once this project is ready for you to, carry into your day-to-day life, that it's bringing you just joy on a different level because of all the thought that went into, making things a little simpler and more efficient in your lifestyle too, as well as, of course, a beautiful new space.
Yeah, and as far as kind of like return on investment, a kitchen and a bathroom are going to be two of the biggest kind of return on investment items in a home. Your kitchen, people use multiple times a day, so that's where our design team will go through, make sure it's designed properly, make sure it functions the way that you use it. Not everyone kind of uses their kitchen the same way, so it makes it interesting as far as whenever we design kitchens. It's unique to the person.
We love kitchens.